Rahul and Rajiv are always interested in what's making the news, and they are also interested in creative writing. They follow news on electronic media like TV, print media like newspapers and magazines, and also on social media. They have recently passed their 12th exam and want to pursue a career in media studies. However, while Rajiv chooses XY Media School, Rahul opts for Gyan Vitaranam Media Finishing School, which is known for its practical training and industry-focused programs. At XY Media School, Rajiv receives no practical exposure and has no idea how the media industry functions. At Gyan Vitaranam Media Finishing School, on the other hand, Rahul does not only receive a degree or a diploma in journalism from a recognized government university, but is also groomed and trained to develop the necessary skills required to excel in his career. The courses offered by Gyan Vitaranam Media Finishing School have been designed by industry experts, keeping in mind the specific needs of the industry. Rahul benefits from field visits, practical training and exposure to a variety of media-related fields like mass communication, advertising, circulation, marketing, photography, event management and corporate communications under the mentorship of experts and faculty members. Gyan Vitaranam Media Finishing School provides 100% job placement in print media within various departments of Gyan Vitaranam Media Private Limited or its ventures at any of its available locations situated in different parts of the country. At the end of the program, Rahul does not have to worry about job placement, unlike Rajiv, who is always worried about how his career will shape. In an interview both Rahul and Rajiv attends, Rahul has some article to show as his experience, while Rajiv just has a degree certificate to show. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The future depends on what you do today." Rahul has created an opportunity for a successful career in media by enrolling in Gyan Vitaranam Media Finishing School. It's your chance now. Gyan Vitaranam Media Finishing School.